Developed by the state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL Tejas is a single-engine, fourth-generation, multi-role light combat aircraft. The fighter has been designed by the Aeronautical Development Agency, ADA, in collaboration with HAL's Aircraft Research and Design Center, ARDC, for the primary use of the Indian Air Force and the Navy under the Light Combat Aircraft, LCA, program. While the Tejas is being showcased as a flagship project under the Modi government's Make in India initiative in the defense sector, the fighter jet has had its share of controversies since its maiden flight in 2001. Long delays in its development and inadequacies in performance were cited as big drawbacks in the Tejas program in the past. However, of late, the government has given utmost importance to the Tejas in a bid to project it as the future aircraft of the Indian Air Force. When compared to China's fifth-generation J-20 stealth fighter, the Tejas Mark I lacks many features. However, with further improvements, it can beat the more advanced fighters of its class possessed by China and Pakistan. The fighter jet could see upgrades including active electronic scanned array, ESA, radar, air-to-air refueling, long-range BVR missiles, advanced electronic warfare to jam enemy radars and missiles, and multitasking abilities. According to Foreign Policy magazine, the fighter is a shining example of international cooperation. The F-404 engine powering the Tejas was supplied by US company GE, and the fighter's radar and electronic warfare equipment came from Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI. In contrast, China has a history of copying foreign designs and technology and turning them into made-in-China features. From fighters to submarines to even cars, China has been notorious for resorting to reverse engineering Western products, something which has now come back to haunt the communist nation. The biggest plus point for the Tejas, according to Babins, is that the fighter is widely perceived to be a more reliable, higher-performance aircraft than anything offered by Beijing. Developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, the Kaveri was a low-bypass twin-spool turbofan jet engine slated to provide an 80 kN power pack and adequate thrust-to-weight ratio for the Tejas. The Tejas fighter also features a modern sensor suite and electronics imported from Israel, while possessing Russian missiles, making it a good ensemble of modern products. Tejas Mk-1, a variant, is cheaper than the US F-16, though it was more expensive than Chinese fighters. However, its superior quality would definitely work in its favor. Please like and subscribe. Jai Hind.